Welcome to my freshman year room, about 10 days before I move out. Hello people, especially interrupts. My name is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys my freshman year dorm tour. I don't know why I waited so long to make this video, but I've been cleaning my room this morning and I was like, hey, I'm about to literally move all my stuff out, like start moving it out today. So I was like, I should probably film a dorm tour. Well, it looks the way that it did pretty much most of the year. So let's just get right on into it. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will make a video in a couple weeks being like the yeses and nos of things to bring for your college freshman dorm room. Capiche? So this is my closet door. It never closed, so it's always just had this like little crack. But I put this little towel rack. You need one of these. So I just have my towel, like a body wrap towel, regular towel, robe, shower caddy, and then this is my camel pack when I go skiing, which I need to clean, and my little fanny pack, which is just super readily available. And this is what it looks like inside. It's really messy. I'll put this little shoe rack thing up, and I have all of my shoes right here, floor, my little vacuum, my docs. I have jeans, sweatshirt, jewelry. It comes with these like little hooks, so I just put like belts, bags. There's bags, and then there's more bags back here. It's actually a pretty big closet, like for a college dorm room. Like, it doesn't look that big, but it goes pretty far back. And then it has this long shelf, so I just have my pashmina, my boots for skiing and helmet, my cowboy boots, a little cooler bag, like extra women's products, swimsuits, and then that's like beanies and scarves and gloves since it snows here. And then you come over here. This was not here the rest of the year. This is for move out. This is like all of my winter clothes, like thick jackets and stuff I don't need to bring home. I'm putting in a storage unit. But this was the wall decor. I think it turned out really cute. I just have a bunch of pictures of family and friends, some album covers, a little disco ball. This, which I stole from a party, this was from Rush, a little flag. These little shelves that are right here are from Target. Nope, Home Goods or Marshalls. And then these are like these little jelly cat stuffed animals, and because they're really light, I thought they were really cute. And they're little plants. And these little baskets are from Target, and they're both filled with claw clips. And then this little thing is from Target, and then that little dog guy, it's from, I don't know, this little rainbow is from Target. I kind of low-key forgot it was up here. And then these are from Amazon. I feel like everybody and their mom has those in their dorm room. But I think that this little wall turned out so cute. Then you move this way, and I turned my desk like sideways like this because I thought it like utilized the space a little bit better, but the desk came like flipped this way. And in my dorm you're supposed to have a bookshelf, but we're like one of the only rooms that has this hutch instead, which is so useful. If your dorm doesn't have one of these, get one. But basically this drawer doesn't close, which is kind of annoying. And this is the locked drawer. This is all my hair stuff. This has like random stuff, like literally nothing in it is valuable. My headphones, my speaker, which is my child, it's literally always on. It's on right now. And then this desk lamp. The room came with a desk lamp, but I wanted to get this one from Amazon. It's so nice. You can like dim it, and it has different like color modes. So I'm gonna bring this to my room next year for sure. And then the other desk lamp that the room came with is in my closet. Then this thing is from Amazon. Just has all of my makeup and hair products and skincare and stuff like that. These are 2 dirty water bottles. And then right here is this desk, is a long skinny drawer. Then I put this up. I don't use it that often, but it can hold like your chargers so they don't fall. Then for actually on the hutch, I have all kinds of fun things. There's more stuff going up the wall here. This is from some random store, and then there's like a little pin. Well, this is from the Container Store. All this stuff is mishmash of like Target, Anthropologie, I already said Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, wherever, Urban, like all the stuff is from literally everywhere. But I have this little thing to hold my notebooks, flowers, this little Leo sign, so the jewelry holder. Oh, and a bunch of stuff from Amazon. Makeup brushes, little cotton rounds. This is illegal, don't look at that. This little plant. This little mirror thing, mug tree, little pencils, pens, jewelry, mugs, sunglasses, and my books, which I never really read, and my beautiful dog. Okay, that's enough for that area. Then this is my little ottoman to get up onto my bed because the beds are really tall and they have like a dresser underneath. I'll show you that in a second. This is from Target. This is where I keep all of my snacks. And then this blanket is from Target. Get like a really cheap throw blanket. I have a really nice Barefoot Dreams one. I'm about to wash it, but that's one my like regular one. But like I have people come over all the time and they like get cold, whatever, like this, get a little cheapy blanket. And then I recommend for your freshman dorm as well to get really cheap bedding. I just got this really cheap white bedding from Target. It's literally $30 and I'm literally just gonna toss it. And I got a queen size, so it goes all the way to the floor and it's just super cozy. Cactus sheets, and then you need one of these things. And then I have this giant freaking hole down here, so I stuffed it with stuff so I don't have a giant hole under my head. More pictures of friends and family, and then this is one of the Tezza collage kits, and I'm really sad because I think I'm gonna take, actually no, I'm gonna leave these up for a little bit longer. And then my favorite part of my room, my album wall. I'll just take a second, like take it in. Oh, it's gorgeous. Then I have my little IKEA cart. Everybody and their mom has one of these. It's so useful, and you can like roll it around, but I just put it right next to my bed. And the top one has like random spices, like nightstand things, plates, cutting board, all that fun jazz. This is my pharmacy shelf, and then I have my cleaning shelf. And then I got these little connecting things that has like coffee and stuff. Then the fridge, which came with the room, which is really nice. It used to be on my roommate's side, right there where that little drawer is, but we moved it in the middle so it was like more centrally located. Oh, this is my memory bin. It's silly, the inhaler and some medicine and stuff. And then my Keurig from Target, and I have a little mug. It's so cute. Oh, this is my roommate's. And then this little on the windowsill, and this was our lovely view for the year of the roof. And our window was broken from the beginning, so we had to tape it shut. Under the bed's a scary place for college, for like in the dorm room, because you just shove things under. This dresser came with it, has like underwear, workout clothes, pajamas. I bought this and this. This has kitchen things. There's like more bins back there. I have like clothes shoved everywhere. Tissues because you're constantly sick. More clothes, just like, it's kind of ugly down there. So like, put your bed like this and then nobody can see your mess. And that's a dorm tour. I'm literally so sad to move out. Like, I loved living in the dorms. Like, it does have its, like, little problems, the dorms. But, like, overall, like, would rate the experience, like, an 8 out of 10. Again, I'll make a video about, like, tips, tricks for living in the dorms. Things to bring, things that you don't need that, like, I brought that I found completely unnecessary and a big old waste of space. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.